So here's my hyacinth, and in some areas it has finished flowering, and I'll collect the seeds. Because there's different ways you can do it. Here you can see the seed pods after it's flowered, so it actually in here has more new ones. Here you can see, I think there's around 4 in each. So just gently take it out here. So that is the new hyacinth baby in here. So you can, it's great at self-sowing, so you could let nature do its thing, throw its own seeds, but it can be hard to know what is a weed and what's a new baby hyacinth. So what I do, I collect the seeds here when they're all brown and dry and keep them in coffee filters with a name tag on. And then I sow them in my greenhouse in winter, and then when it gets warmer, they start to germinate.
So for this, we're using regular potting soil because it's the cheapest. We did add water beforehand. That'll help our seeds not get lost and tossed around in the tray.
Oh, and if you want to see a great video on how to winter sow, click the link here.
Good job, Lars.
So here's the seed pod of a hyacinth. Isn't it pretty? Very special. So these ones I'm just gonna kind of drizzle down there and see like this. They're really good at self-sowing out in the garden as well, but I really want to have a better eye on the process here, so I'm sprinkling in some of these trays here like this. There we go. That should be enough for this tray here. Dividing them there like this. If they stick together, then I'll add a handful of soil on top, just to a little bit to cover. It doesn't matter if they stick out a little bit, some of a part of the seed pod there. There we go. Then I'm going to add a name tag there. I'll place it out in the greenhouse, and every 2 weeks I'm going to check and keep an eye and spray with water if the surface seems dry. Then nature will do its rest. Then when spring comes, it gets warmer, these beautiful ones will start to germinate, and when they're a little bit bigger, I can plant them directly out in the garden.
Now it's time to place these in the glass house. They're going to need sunlight, and they're going to need to be watered once every 2 weeks with a little sprayer. Just keep an eye on them. Once these seedlings start to sprout, they'll be ready to plant out directly in the garden come springtime.
So it has been 3 months, and the tray with the hyacinth has sprouted, and I've just repotted them, and when they start to have the second set of leaves or more here, then it's sign that it's time to get a bigger pot. So once they're a little bit bigger, I'll plant it out in the garden. If you don't have the time nor the space, you could also have planted directly out in the garden from the tray.